Welcome everybody, my name is Craig Nicholas from Lumpy Crypto here in South Africa, and today is 26th of November 2017. Let's get into it. Bitcoin, wow, quite a nice couple of days actually, just to see what's been happening. This is the peak at 160,000. It actually got to just under 159,000 roughly, so was quite a peak that it reached. And this chart, which I'll post as well, is actually a handy little chart because it gives you a moving average, which is this purple line, of exactly what's been going on, as well as an exponential line over the last 10 of these candles to tell you exactly what the trend is. So anytime that this brown line or the exponential is above the simple moving, it means it's a good time to hold or to sell, depending on how close it gets. And every time it's below means it's a good time to buy. Obviously the moving average will pretty much iron out exactly what's going on. So yeah, it's been quite busy. As you can see, for yesterday morning, Saturday morning, 25th, it was around about 130 and it rallied all the way up to 159. Would have been really nice if you had Bitcoin at that point in time. Unfortunately, I didn't listen to my own advice and sold when it got to this point, which was around 130, and then carried on with my day, which wasn't great, and look at it now. So yeah, kicking myself a little bit, but hey, that's what happens. Can't win on every single trade, but at least the lessons learned though. So yeah, second thing with Luno have now introduced the Ethereum wallet, which is a great thing. If you want to now move funds in between your wallets and move out of Bitcoin and into Ethereum, then it's a good idea. This morning I did my trade at around about 150, so as you can see, it's already making some nice profit. This is my crypto watch website. It's pulling this information directly from Luno and bringing it out, so you can see there's a lot more analysis to this, and as you can see, what you want to do here is buy when it gets to the bottom and obviously sell when it gets to the top. As you can see now, there's a lot of selling going on, but will it continue to rise? Well, we'll see. I'll definitely keep an eye on it, but that's the whole idea here. Once it gets to the top, do you sell? And then once it gets to the bottom, do you buy? So if you can keep an eye on this, you can make some nice profit in and out, provided you're using the exchange route with Luno. I hadn't been recently, and Luno had been charging me some fees, so I got antsy and obviously donated some fees to Luno without using my own rule, so I've lost a little bit there, but obviously I'll gain it back in a couple of days. The next thing I wanted to show is altpocket.io. Nice little site that I've been playing around with. Really good to give a consolidated view of everything that you've got. Clean interface, really nice. Allows you to pull in your Bittrex exchange, which is really helpful, and actually to see all your investments. Now if we go to my investments, you can see that I'm invested in a couple of coins. So Neo's still there. He's recovered much more than it was. I think it was $5 grand profit down. So he's about to bounce back and hit a good wall. In terms of Omisa Go, bought when he was low. You can see I'm now in the profit, so I'll keep an eye on him, see if I can maybe get that to about 13-14% before cashing out. And then OK Cash. So yeah, this overall means that my total investments, including my balance that I have on Luno, means that my total net worth is around about 90,000, which doesn't sound too bad, but my active loss, if I have to sell everything at the moment, is a little down. So want a bit more profit out of my Neo coins and Omisa Go and OK Cash. The reason that I have these coins is I've been messing around with a profit trailer bot. Really nice tool. Online you can get the license, and it will pretty much do the trading for you. So he's currently running. He's not buying anything, I don't think so. He's running on my server itself, so I was looking to buy a couple of these this morning, but because of how Bitcoin has gone up and down, decided not to. So what he does is he starts trailing to see whether or not I will be in the value or the range in terms of my buy strategy. And if he does, then he's automatically going to go and buy based on whatever amount I had specified. I think at this point it's pretty much 0.001. Not a lot of Bitcoin, really just testing out the theory. And obviously once he gets into the sell range, then he'll sell. So remember, these are near and OK cash that I'm sitting on, so these profits will be down. But if I look into the history of what happened, I had a really good day on the 24th, just playing around with this because it hit my sell walls very good, or very well at least. And then yeah, so he made some good profit. Unfortunately, then my strategy was not correct, and all of that profit pretty much was thrown down the drain. Because OK Cash hit a bit of a slump and everyone dumped their coins, so it hit my sell wall and my stop losses. So all of the profit that I made, even though it was 2 or 3 rands, was pretty much gone in the same evening. So got to play around with the strategy a little bit more, but I'll keep you updated with that. So that's what's been happening. If there are any comments or anything else, if you want more information, I will do a video just on what you need to be looking out for, in a nutshell, between Bitcoin charts, the crypto watch, Luno, and obviously what you need to exchange as well. Maybe potentially even a little bit later, depending on what happens. I'll even do a live trade as well. So yeah, please subscribe, add some comments. I really enjoy making these videos. Once again, this is financial, just experimentation, not a financial advisor, so don't think that you're going to make millions out of this. Play for yourself, do your own research, and if you want to play around with Bitcoin and make some extra profit on the side, definitely do. Until next time, thank you very much.